Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Baseplate12. Happy New Year. I wanted to give this video a shout out to my Christmas present that I kind of gave to myself. It is the Feiyu Tech Wearable Gimbal. So what I wanted to do is not to unbox it because I already unboxed it. I know what you guys really want to do is see how this is functioning. What's really cool about it is you can put it on all of your GoPro accessories. That's kind of why I bought it. The downside to it is it's not waterproof. So, if I were to take this skiing, that would be a panicky issue, or anywhere there's water. But anyway, it's really cool that you can, like I said, attach this to all your GoPro accessories. So what I wanted to do is to show you how you would mount these on your accessories and actually take this out and let you see what the video looks like with the gimbal, because like me, you probably don't love the shaky video. When you're walking, it's really hard to keep your camera really perfectly still. So what I wanted to do is to get this gimbal so you can have smooth video. So again, like I said, I'll show you how you mount these onto your accessories and then we'll get to the video. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so I have attached my Feiyu Tech gimbal to my GoPro handle here, and you can attach this to any selfie stick you want. And right now, so what I'm in is I'm in mode 1, and it will basically keep my GoPro level. So if you notice, if I raise my hand like this, it'll keep it straight. If I lower it, it'll keep it straight. So what it's going to do is just what we bought it for is to keep it stable. So if my hand does move, if I'm walking, running, it'll keep that stable. What's nice is if I press this twice, what it'll allow me to do now is now it's not going to be level. So if I raise my hand, it will face up. If I go down, it will face down. So if I'm wearing this, and I'll show you what my chesty looks like in a second. If I turn down, it will face down. And notice there's some delay time. So if you are looking up, it's not going to just quickly look up. It'll give you some time to turn. So it's real neat for if you're going to go on hiking or just go take it on a walk. You can put it on a selfie stick, any type of handle. And what's really neat is down here is the basically that T-clamp that allows you to, basically a game changer, allows you to hook into any of your GoPro accessories. So let's go to another accessory. So like I was saying before, this clamp that you're able to tighten into your gimbal is the huge game changer again, because now, like on this selfie stick, I can now add this on here. I can clip that onto here. I can now put that onto this adjustable tripod. So what's nice again is this clamp here that allows you to fit into, I have this wrist mount that it can go into there also. So there's just a huge amount of plus sides to this wearable gimbal that you're able to put this onto anything. And again, because again it has this clamp, now I can use, I can put this onto this buckle mount here that can slide into any of your accessories. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the chesty. Okay, so I put my chesty on, gimbal in place. So if I move around, that GoPro is gonna stay stable. And I'm going to go ahead and get on my bike and show you what this looks like on a bike ride, okay?